Hey guys, a little Sunday afternoon project. As you know, I just put the power drawbar on my vertical mill, which requires air, and so I was reassessing how I'm supplying air to where the mill's located. I'd gone to Harbor Freight and picked up one of these little manifolds and was starting to assemble it, and just said, you know, this isn't what I want. And so I did a little sketch on the whiteboard. Went over and found a piece of 3/4 plate that I'd used in an earlier project. Went ahead and whacked off a piece and built myself a little manifold. Originally I was going to install the manifold in that arrangement, and then reassessed it, and I'm actually going to turn it on its side, which is more like that right there, and that way it'll just mount to a stud on the wall and have the arrangement that way. I think it'll work out well. I'll show you when it's completed. It's a fun little build, and I think it'll be a worthwhile addition there at the mill. Alright, catch you soon. Here's the little shot of my Texas fart muffler, air manifold. So it's just getting ready to put everything together, and then on the back side I added a little bracket for mounting it to the stud. So screwed all together, and I think it'll work good. It's air in. This will go over to the drawbar. This will feed the cool mist, and this will feed the air gun at the mill. And air in, I think I said that. And this way I can see, I got the gauge on here, my compressor and tanks down at the other side, so this way I can monitor how much air is in the system. I usually leave my air system on but the compressor off. I'll show you another shot once it's mounted up on the wall. Okay, I thought I'd show you real quick. I got the air manifold mounted back here on the stud wall. I got my air in. I've got the feed going out to the power drawbar. This feed here goes over to my just blowgun for being at the mill, and then I have to get a jumper for my cool mist. I have to get that made up, just a short jumper. It's all put together and working good. Real happy with it. Hang tight, and I've got a couple other items to show you here. Hey guys, I thought I'd show you a recent purchase over the weekend. I went to go look at a couple of items at a garage sale. Nothing in particular. It was kind of a jewelry thing, some jewelry manufacturing items, electrolysis and stuff like that. And the fellow opened his garage, and I saw this brake there, and asked if he wanted to sell it, and he said yes. It wasn't on Craigslist or anything else. So it's a Di-arco 24-inch finger brake. Really great condition. It came with the metal stand, but I'm going to rebuild it, build something very close to the stock one. And I'm missing two fingers, a 3-inch and a 3/4 inch. So that'll be a nice little project. They're a fairly simple build. To build the finger, so I may build them even out of aluminum for the amount of use. I may do that. I was actually talking to a friend, and he's actually built them out of oak for his own little special projects on his bender. So a little project to do, and make the table also. The other thing I picked up at the sale was this was the first thing I bought, was a pan of ice. These sell for about 50 bucks, 60 bucks, and paid $5 for it. I was kind of happy with that too. That happened even before I bought the brake. But thought I'd show it to you. Another addition to the shop. Yeah, I thought I'd show you guys. I do have one other sheet metal machine in my shop. This is a 3-in-1 machine. So there's a shear, there's a brake, and then there's a roll. And it actuates by cranking the handle. So you can see the shear is going up and down, and if you continue on, it'll go through the whole cycle. The rolls are working, and basically if you go the other direction or continue to roll, the brake is working. A 3-in-1 machine. It's a handy machine, and it's got fingers so that you can adjust your brakes similar to the Di-arco brake there. And it's got, you know, you can remove the dies and change your dies and your fingers if you wanted to. So 3-in-1 machine. This is an older Rutland that I had picked up. I thought I'd just show it. It's been a good machine. I've been happy with it. So I stopped by Harbor Freight and I picked up one of these tri-valve pieces. What the hell you even call it? Anyway, whatever. I got a brain fart there. Can't think of what the hell to call it. But anyway, whacked off a piece and made my own, whatever I want to call it. I quit.